wouldn't you expect that? I don't know where you live at, Sharon, but those Assumption days are like 1920-ish. Oh, guys, look, got another one. Another one. Hey, Sharon, here's to your Assumption. Not only do we like to fish, we know how to catch damn fish. So there you go. But I won't knock you for saying that, because some people do ask that. So guys, don't even hate on it, because some people do ask, do African American, like, I got friends like, dude, I didn't know black people fish like that. And I'm like, yeah, we do. And the Dr. Jimmy Houston's grandbaby does too. But Sharon, we do fish and we love it. And guess what, guys? This lure is worth the 20 bucks. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. I might go to that discount tackle house and do what that guy said and get those discounted ones. But Sharon, we do like to fish. On a serious note, we do like to fish. And guys, don't knock her for asking that, because people do ask that. They done asked me. They done asked me before, like directly, dude, I didn't know you fished. Well, especially from a kayak. So they will say that with the quickness. And I'm like, yeah, which I made that assumption myself when my crazy buddy Striper J was like, dude, I'm getting a kayak. And I was like, black people don't get on kayaks, fool. So can't knock you at all, Sharon. When my crazy buddy There we go, guys. Another one. Pickerel. Pickerel. Pickerel party. Pull them out. Oh, come on now. Don't act stupid. Get in the boat. Oh, really? I said get in the boat. Dinkers. Guys, I have to admit, I'm truly impressed. Produces, I know it's dinks right now, but it's producing fish. That's the key to this whole thing. Is it worth the buck? Because eventually you get to biggins. There we go. There we go, guys. On the chatterbait. On the chatterbait. We knew we'd get one on the chatterbait. Little pickerel. We'll get that pickerel in the boat. Get in the boat, guy. Pickerel, guys. Hitting the chatterbait. We ain't got pike. We got them slime, nasty pickerel. A lot of bones in them. Pike good, pickerel not good. There you go, guys. Dink party. Dinks. Dink party. Y'all know how your boy does. I'm gonna get some dinks until I get to the real ones. Hey man, stop all that mess, dummy. You know Top Drop got you. You know them trappers got them lips on lock. And you ain't going nowhere, Dink. Dinks. Trapper got him on lock. Y'all know how we do. Even the dinks get on camera. We ain't scared. Captain Con, that's my dude. Where the hell you been, Captain Con? Dinks. Lots of dinks. GoPro, stop recording. Holy crap. There you go. He would eat that right there. Pickle party. Pickle party. These slime darts are out today, guys. Once you cut my line, boy. Once you start strashing, cut my line, boy. Up in this boat. Slime darts. Acting a fool today. The slime darts are acting crazy. Seem like they the ones out here biting. Stop it, man. Trapper got him on lock. Trapper got him on lock. Trapper got him on lock, guys. Bust him. Stop.